Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 3000 token on your Blooket account for free. Uh, Please follow this video step by steps. Now I open a new tab and search www.go-tokens-pro. Press enter. Remember, Go Tokens Pro. Now this page is loading. As you can see, token event offer 3000 token for free. You need your Blooket username. My Blooket username is the box one. Now I enter my username here. Now as you can see, I enter my username. Now I press this button generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. Please like and subscribe this video for more tutorials on Blooket. Now as you can see, connected successful. This is website status online, last update 2 days ago, online users. This is people activity, recent activity. And this is people comments. You can add the comments here. You can add the comments here. Now, this is people vote. And now I want to loading this page. Generating resource, as you can see. Resource have been generated. Good. The box one connected. Extracting. Launch manual. You don't like your robot, please verify that you are a human. Click to the verify button below and follow the instruction. Boom, good. Now I press this button and verify with survey. You need to complete 2 survey to receive the reward. This is Blooket sponsor. Now I complete 2 offers to receive my rewards. I complete this. As you can see, this is the instruction. I need to send a SMS on this number. Now I send and will come back. Good, I send the message. Now I need to complete another offers. I complete these offers, download and install Opera GX. Now I download. As you can see, now I will come back with finish. Good, now the Opera GX is installing. I wait to install this browser. Go. Download. 1 second remaining. Good, now it's installed. Now you can close this browser. And now you need to return on your Blooket page. As you can see, receive this notification. You have won 3000 token. Please climb. And now I have 3000 token in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my name. Follow this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.